Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp. And today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can change your location on your Yubo app. To do so, first of all, open up Yubo like I already did. And after opening up Yubo, go onto your profile icon, which is on the top right side of your screen. From here, again, go on to the settings, which is on the top right side of your screen. From here, click on swipe settings. And here you can see an option for location. If you click on location, here are 3 options to help you to change the location on your Yubo. And that's how you can change your location on Yubo. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.